The outermost layer in a typical plant cell would be. The options are primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, middle lamella or cell membrane. Well, the answer is primary cell wall. The primary cell wall is situated closest to inside of cell and is first formed layer of cell wall. Next question is the cementing material between adjacent plant cells is cellulose, hemicellulose, middle lamella, or all of them? The answer is middle lamella. Middle lamella act as an interface between other cells and glues them together. Have a look at the next question. Which of the following is non-living component of plant cell? The options include nucleus, cell wall, cell membrane, or all of these. The answer is cell wall. A cell wall is defined as non-living component covering the outermost layer of a cell. The next question is about cell wall. It says cell wall is secreted by what? The options include protoplast, cell membrane, cytoplasm, or vacuole. What do you think? Well, the answer is protoplast. The protoplast of a living plant or bacterial cell whose cell wall has been removed. Have a look at next question. Distribution of intrinsic proteins in the plasma membrane is. The options are random, symmetrical, asymmetrical, or none of the above. The answer, out of all the options, is asymmetrical. The lipid bilayer forms the basis of cell membrane, but it peppered throughout with various proteins. Two different types of proteins that are commonly associated with the cell membrane are the integral protein and peripheral protein. The next question asks which organelle of cell is involved in apoptosis. The options are lysosome, Golgi body, mitochondria, or endoplasmic reticulum. The answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria plays a key role in activating apoptosis in mammalian cell. BCL2 family members regulate the release of proteins from the space between the mitochondrial inner and outer membrane that once in the cytoplasm activate caspase protease that dismantle cells and signal efficient phagocytosis of the cell corpse. Next question is the function of centrosome is. The options are osmoregulation, secretion, formation of spindle fibers, or protein synthesis. The answer is formation of spindle fibers. Spindle fibers are a part of spindle apparatus that moves chromosomes during mitosis and meiosis to ensure even chromosomes distribution between daughter cells. Look at the next question. It says the cells is not applied for which of the following? The options are virus, bacteria, fungi, or algae. The answer is virus. Virus can't reproduce by themselves without a host. Viruses are not considered living, nor do they have cell. They are very small, much smaller than the cells of living things, and are basically just packages of nucleic acid and protein. The next question is microfilament are composed of a protein called. The options are actin, chitin, myosin, or tubulin. The answer is actin. Microfilament, also called actin filaments, are polymers of the protein actin that are part of cell cytoskeleton. The next question is which of the following is responsible for the beginning of life of organism? The options are tissue, cell, zygote, or embryonic layer. The answer is zygote. Zygote results from union of male sperm and female egg, which is the beginning of new organism. The next question is which structure possesses flagellin protein? The options are muscle fiber, pili, flagella, or all of them. The answer is flagella. Flagellum is a hair-like appendage that protrudes from certain plant and animal cells like sperm cells, and it is composed of protein flagellin. Look at the next question. The cells involved in large amount of lipid synthesis do not possess this organelle on the endoplasmic reticulum. The options are mitochondrion, Golgi ribosome or lysosome. The answer is ribosome. Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types, smooth endoplasmic and rough endoplasmic. Smooth endop do not possess ribosome and is involved in lipid synthesis. The next question is: it directs the formation of the bipolar spindle during cell division? The options are Golgi, centriole, ribosome or cilia. The answer is centriole. Centrioles are typically made up of 9 sets of short microtubule triplet arranged in a cylinder. It produces spindle fibers during cell division. In humans, which cell lacks nucleus? The options are monocyte, lymphocyte, RBC or neutrophil. The answer is red blood cells. The absence of a nucleus is an adaptation of the red blood cells. For its role, it allows the red blood cells to contain more hemoglobin and therefore carry more oxygen molecules. Next question says no membrane surrounds this organelle. The options include nucleus nucleolus, Golgi or lysosome. The answer is nucleolus. The nucleolus is a large organelle without a membrane that forms in the cell nucleus. Which of the following synthesis rRNA? The options include nucleus, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, or all of them. The answer is nucleolus. Nucleolus is found inside the nucleus and its major function is the formation of rRNA, which forms major part of ribosome, which shows the presence of nucleode. The options are virus, plant cell, animal cell, or bacteria. The answer is bacteria. Nucleoid is an irregularly arranged region within the prokaryotic cell that contains most of the genetic material. What is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? The options are formation of enzyme, formation of protein, formation of steroid hormone, or all of them. The answer is formation of steroid hormone. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not contain ribosomes and are involved in the formation of steroid hormones. The next question is: which organelle is responsible for the degradation of worn-out cells? The options are lysosome, Golgi body vacuole, or endoplasmic reticulum. The answer is lysosome. The main function of lysosome is to help with cell metabolism by ingesting and dissolving unwanted parts of the cell, cell debris, or foreign substances that have entered the cell. Which plastic possess chlorophyll pigments? The xanthophylus, anthocyanin, chloroplast, and carotene. The answer is chloroplast. Chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. It is the process by which light energy is converted to chemical energy, resulting in the production of oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds.